Hey guys, Schmitty here. It's December 23rd. It's about 23 degrees out. I haven't been making videos lately. Been busy. My computer's broke. So I thought I'd make a little update. I put this skis on my dad's 97 700. The black ones, and I bought these, but they're on my dad's sled, so I put them the USI on this one, plastics, and with the Fox and the Yamaha stickers. I also put those on, but I'll do a quick cold start of them. I got my electric start battery to work. What's that? I'll do the my sled first, because I'm gonna let this one run. It has really bad gas in it. So, like I said, it's a cold start. This is my 98 Yamaha XT 500. Shut up. Yeah, my battery is about dead. It was charged yesterday, so you can pull start it. Need you guys' help here. I'm thinking about maybe next year putting studs in my track. I'm thinking more down the middle, maybe 96, 100, 106 studs. I don't know. My dad doesn't like studs. He said that on this one actually, he had the stock track on it, and it was probably the year 2000 when he was out on a lake. He was probably going around 100, and he said that a stud went through the track and then the whole track just tore apart. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on it. Here's my 97 Yamaha SX 700 triple cold start. It has bad gas in it, probably, I don't know, really bad gas. Oh, the key wasn't turned. I was like, what? My recall is messed up, so I got another one here, but I'm just gonna wait till this one breaks. say gas, my guess. I don't know. I hope it's still gas. It's running better. I'm just gonna let it run for about an hour. Hopefully get to that now. There's my brother Dirk. Hey! Say hi, Dirk. Yeah, hopefully we get some snow. Thanks for watching.